What is the sentence structure in Korean? Let me simplify everything for you in 90 seconds. All you need to remember is this. SWOV. S stands for your subject, but if your subject is I, you're just gonna drop it because I is gonna be assumed. Next, let's go to W. W stands for when and where. If you have both when and where, when will go first. In my case, I have 어제, that's yesterday. Now, let's go to O, that's for your object. In my sentence, I put 친구, that's your friend. 를 is object marker. 친구를. Lastly, V. V stands for verbs, and verbs are always at the end in Korean. 만났어요. That's past tense of 만나다, to meet, met. Now let's put them all together. Subject, I, omitted. W, when, 어제, yesterday. Object, 친구를, friend. Verb, 만났어요, I met. To learn more Korean, join my 90-minute free masterclass where I'm gonna teach you 7 steps of becoming fluent in Korean. I hope to see you there, and as always, you got this.